Bo Buddies. This is Desi, and I'm Bo.
Wizard!
Are you ready to go?
And the Stuffy Sniffler! Where did our pretty flowers go?
I don't know, Desi. Bo Buddies, it's Bogo. Great you're here. Someone took most of the flowers from our flower pots.
We grew them ourselves.
Don't worry, Desi. We'll find out what happened to our flowers. There's only one person who would know. Wizard! I'll need your help to make Wizard appear. Will you help me? You will? Thanks a bunch. We're going to have to move around a lot to do it, so we need to get in our Bo Zone.
Bo Zone!
Come on, Bo Buddies. Clear some room in front of you where it's safe to move around. Move those toys and things out of the way. Then we can get on the go today. Almost done. Now we're ready to make Wizard appear. Stand in the middle of your Bo Zone. Point your finger in the air, like this. Spin it round and round. Keep spinning. Faster, faster, faster. When you move with me, you give me energy. You make my power band glow when you get on the go. It's working. You're helping me. I can feel your energy. Now the other side. Spin, spin, spin. Wizard's almost here. Maximum Bo power!
Wizard!
Yes! We did it, Bo Buddies! We made Wizard appear.
Hello, Desi and Bo. Great geraniums! Someone took your pretty flowers.
How did he know that?
Wizard knows all.
But do you know who took our flowers, Wizard?
Who could it be? Let me see. Aha! I was afraid of this. It's the Stuffy Sniffler. The Stuffy Sniffler? Who's that? The Stuffy Sniffler loves to sniff flowers. He sniffs flowers for hours and hours. But the Stuffy Sniffler's big red nose cannot smell a single lily or rose. His poor nose is stuffed up, as you can tell. So he keeps taking flowers, trying to find one he can smell.
You mean the Stuffy Sniffler won't stop taking flowers until his stuffed-up nose can smell one?
I'm afraid so, Bo.
Bo Buddies, imagine a world without beautiful, sweet-smelling flowers. That would be bad.
And it kind of makes me sad.
Me too, Desi. There's only one thing to do. We will find that Stuffy Sniffler and save all the flowers in the whole world.
To find the Stuffy Sniffler, you must enter the Chamber of Doors.
The Chamber of Doors.
Find 3 doors, not one more. Behind door number 3, you will find what you seek. Take a peek. The Stuffy Sniffler. Find these 3 doors, and you will find the Stuffy Sniffler.
Thank Thank you, Wizard.
You're welcome. Now, you and your bow buddies better get on the go.
We need to find 3 doors. To make the first door come, we have to run on the spot. Are you in your bow zone? Good. When I count to 3, run with me. 1, 2, 3, run! The chamber of doors. Come on, bow buddies. Run fast or run slow. But help me go, go, go. You can even march or walk. But please don't stop. Uh-oh, I'm getting low on energy. Run with me, bow buddies. When you move with me, you give me energy. You make my power band glow when you get on the go. Everyone run! That door's gonna come! Maximum bow power! Run, bow buds!
The door!
We did it, bow buddies! We made the first door come.
Look! A fox!
Let's see what's inside. Locked. We need a key. A flying key. Do you know how to catch a flying key? Will you help me? Super Bo-Duper! Stand very tall. Tall as a giraffe. On your tippy toes. Stretch! Stretch with me to catch a key. As tall as you can. Reach out your hands. And jump. Caught a key. Good work, bow buds. Through the fox door we go.
Come on!
Wow! Look at all the pretty flowers.
They smell nice.
Looks like the Stuffy Sniffler hasn't been here yet.
Or all the flowers would be gone.
Right, Desi? Do you see our next door anywhere?
Look! There it is.
Come on, bow buddies. This'll be easy bow breezy.
Whoa! A fox!
This must be his flower shop. Why won't he let us through?
Welcome to the fox's flower shop! The fox has heard the Stuffy Sniffler is near. He's protecting his flowers so they don't disappear. He's not sure what the Sniffler looks like, and so he won't let anyone in his shop he doesn't know. To get past the fox and stay on the go, you'll have to sneak past him, quiet and low.
Sneak past the fox quiet and low? That's a funny way to stay on the go.
To sneak past the fox quiet and low, you'd better choose an Animove. Animoves!
Bow buddies, can you help me choose an animove? Which animal should we move like to sneak past the fox quiet and low? A stomping elephant? A clapping seal? A creeping cat?
A creeping cat! Good choice!
Okay, bow buddies, to sneak quiet and low past the fox, we have to creep, creep, creep like a quiet kitty.
Watch me creep.
Great cat creeping, Desi. Let's all be creeping cats, too. Are you still in your bow zone? Great! When I count to 3, creep with me. 1, 2, 3, creep! Come on, Bow Buds! Get down on your hands and feet and creep with me. To get past that box and reach our door, take gentle, sneaky steps down on the floor. Creep carefully, Desi. Let's creep together. Make yourself as light as can be, like little sneaky cats. Creep with me. Uh-oh! I need more energy. Creep with me, Bow Buddies. When you move with me, you give me energy. You make my power band glow when you get on the go.